Well, Delhi has sought the army's help to fight the monster COVID surge. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia has written to the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh requesting for assistance from the forces in battling the COVID-19 surge. Delhi government has also informed High Court about the development and said help has been sought to set up 10,000 oxygen beds, 1,000 ICU beds in Delhi. Arvind Kejriwal has also requested for the army's help in transport of oxygen tankers. Anisha Mathur was in court getting us more details on that story. Abhishek Bhalla also with us on that big story that we are tracking. First to you, Anisha, just take us through the details of what exactly has the Delhi government sought from the Defence Ministry as it informed the High Court today.
Well, the Delhi government lawyers have informed today that the Deputy Chief Minister has written to Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. In that letter, he has sought help from the armed forces for 10,000 oxygen beds, 1,000 ICU beds, as well as help in bringing oxygen from various oxygen manufacturers from Durgapur, Kalinganagar, etc. Now, all of these plants are several hundred kilometers away from Delhi. The Delhi government has said that they do not have enough tankers to bring in the oxygen. Remember, this is the reason that has been given for the shortage of oxygen in the city. Now, they have said that they've sought the army's help to get enough tankers so that the oxygen can be transported from far off places and brought to Delhi. Delhi has also said that they have a demand of 976 projected demand of oxygen for the next several days because of the sheer number of COVID patients that are coming in the city to the various hospitals. The court has now asked the centre to answer on both issues. One, what exactly is being done about the Delhi government's demand for help from the army. The Additional Solicitor General Chetan Sharma has said that he will inform the court, he will get instructions from the centre. However, the centre had objected to this question, saying that since this is a question of national coordination, it should be left for the Supreme Court to consider. But the Delhi High Court has asked for answers on this point, that by when is the centre, is the army going to give help to Delhi? Secondly, the court has also said that the allocated demand, which allocated oxygen supply, which is around 440 metric tons, should be enhanced to the projected supply, which is about 976 metric tons, which is also what the Supreme Court in its order issued yesterday has said, that not just the allocated demand, but the projected demand should be supplied to the various states, including Delhi.
All right. Anisha, be with us. Going to come back to you for more on that. Abhishek Bhalla also is with us. Abhishek, does the Defence Ministry have a separate plan for the national capital, or is it working out a strategy for states that are seeking help? Just tell us more. What's on the agenda?
Well, Sneha, as of now, the Defence Ministry had a plan not for one particular state, but across the country. There were hospitals that were set up in Delhi, which is the DRDO facility, which has 500 beds. It's an ICU facility, but clearly that's not enough. And that's the reason why the Delhi government has told court that they need more help from the armed forces and very specific demands that have been put up by the Delhi government. Other than Delhi, the armed forces had set up hospitals in Gujarat, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. One in Lucknow is also, in the pipeline. As far as oxygen containers are concerned, the Indian Air Force has been carrying empty oxygen containers from abroad as well as within the country, carrying out various sorties. So these are some of the steps that have been taken by the armed forces. We were told a couple of days back that 600 retired army and armed forces personnel, mostly doctors, have been roped in to assist civilian authorities as well. But it remains to be seen how the Defence Ministry acts on this demand of the Delhi government, which is perhaps first of its kind from a state government, very, very specific. Whether the armed forces have the wherewithal to meet these demands of 10,000 beds in Delhi is something that needs to be planned.
That's the beauty of the federal structure. Here is a state that is asking for help, and we just hope that this works out in the way Delhi would really want it to work out, because remember, Delhi is the worst hit city in the country when it comes to the total number of new cases. Delhi has also been reporting increasing deaths, which also speaks volumes of the fact, Abhishek and Anisha, that